Okay, so now what we have understood? We have understood all the ways how are you going to declare the variables. So that is what we have done so far. Okay, so now what we wanted to do is we wanted to print these variables. Let us say I'm going to give you some examples. Now you are going to try them. So do the first one. You create a new class. Create a new class. So you are going to src, right click, new Java class. So there you are going to give example one. Example one.
Is it
So
okay, sir?
class name always start with a capital letter. Example one. Give proper names. Okay, ex1 is okay, but make sure that you are giving the right name all the time.
Okay,
Otherwise, you
sir.
will be confused. Example one. So now what I am asking you to do is I am asking you to print the name, whatever the name I give, that name should be printed along with hello and then the corresponding name. For example, if I give you the name as Shriman, the output should be hello Shriman. That is what I am expecting. So now you don't have the main method. So how do you write the main method?
Yes. VM
Okay,
tab.
right. So now you have to declare the variable. I am asking you to declare one variable which is your name. Name means it is a string, correct? It
Yes,
is a
sir.
string data type. So what is that you are going to do? String data type. For string data type, you are going to write string S capital, string space F name. F stands for first name. F name. F name is equal to, just put your name in double quotes. Okay. And now enter. I'm asking you to print the name with hello, right? Hello Shriman. That's what I wanted to print. So for that, you need to write System.out.println. So simple shortcut is S out, right?
Yes, sir.
S out and then tab. So now if you see, you are going to write the hello, double quotes, HELLOW, hello, space, double quotes, and then after the double quotes, give plus symbol, plus. So what is your variable for your name?
F name, sir.
F name. Just write the F name. Okay. So now if you print this, if you run this program, if you execute this program, what is going to be the output? Just run and see. Your output is hello Shriman. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I ask you to change the name to Aditya, okay, instead of Sriman, just change it to Aditya and then run the program, and you will be able to see the output as Aditya. Correct? Hello,
Ye-
Aditya has come.
Yes, sir.
So now, if I have to write the same program with first name and last name of the student, and then I wanted to print the full name of the student. For example, let's say you declare one more variable which is with last name. Enter after Aditya semicolon, enter string L name. L name stands for last name is equal to Utpala, double quotes, UPTALA, semicolon at the end. Now, what I'm asking you to do is, I want the name to be printed as Utpala Aditya. How are you going to write the program?
Just
You just tell me first before writing it. Just tell me how are you going to write the program.
sir, here we can write system.out.print hello fname. Next, we can go for system.out.print lname.
So you no need to write in 2 lines. If you are writing it in 2 lines, it will not display the name as Utpala Aditya. So what you have to do is just remove the hello, whatever you have written, hello double quotes, whatever you have written, just remove that. There you just write L name plus F name. L name plus L name is your last name plus F name is your first name. Okay. Now run the program and see what is the outcome.
Is it correct only, sir?
Yes. Run it. So if you see, there is no space between Utpala and Aditya. So what I have noticed is you are trying to give space there. That will not work. Okay. So what you have to give is, you have to give after L name, give plus double quotes, space. Okay. Now that plus symbol is used for concatenation. Okay. So when you are trying to use plus symbol, you are trying to join the variables. Are you clear? Any
Yes, sir.
questions?
No, sir.
Now run the program.
Yes, sir. Here
Did
output
you
in
see the
output.
space?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so take one more program. So go and create new class, addition class. Create a class called addition. Addition. Okay. So to do addition, what is that you need to have?
Two
You need to have your
numbers.
main method. Always make sure that you have the main method, and you wanted to have two inputs, right? So you need to have two inputs, two variables you need to declare. Okay, so two integers. So if you are going to declare the integers, int space x, int space x is equal to, give some number, int space y. Next, enter. I wanted to add both of them. That means I wanted to display the output as the sum of x plus y is whatever the output is coming. That is what I wanted to display. Are you getting my output?
Yes,
Did
sir.
you understand what is that I'm going to display?
Yes, sir.
So if you write system.out.println, system.out.println, just write x plus y. You no need to give spaces. Okay, so it will not take the space. Even though if you give space, it will not take. You are thinking that if you give space, it will give the space. No, it is not going to consider that space. If you wanted to add the space, you have to give double quotes, like how the way we have given in the previous class, right? So
Yes,
in the
sir. Okay,
previous
sir.
example class 1, we have given double quote space, like that you have to provide. Now run this program and you see that the output is 53, correct?
Yes, sir.
But I did not ask you to print this way. What I'm asking you to print? I'm asking you to print
Sum
the
of.
sum of x and y is. That is what I'm going to display. So for that, what you have to do is, before x, in the system.out.println, in the system.out.println statement, before x, within the double quotes, start writing it. The sum of, T capital, the sum of x and y, x and y is, give a space. Then after double quotes, put them in a bracket and then add a plus symbol there. Plus, bracket close, and after the double quotes, give a plus symbol. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now run the program. So you should understand how are you going to write the sentences in between. Also you need to understand, when you, it is not that if you know declaration of variable, it is not only sufficient for us to run the program. You should be able to understand. If at all I am asking you to give me a proper output, you should be in a position to do that also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, doubts?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you create a new class ex multivariable. Ex multivariable. What does it mean? Example of multiple variables. Make sure always you give first letter as capital letter so that you'll understand it easily. Okay.
First letter, yes, sir. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Give the main one.
Uh, Given, sir.
Okay. So now what I'm asking is I'm asking you to declare the multiple variables. For example, I wanted to declare three variables. Declare three variables x, y, and z. Give some values. Int x is equal to how much you have given?
26, sir.
26. Y. Okay, 27. And then int z. Okay. So then enter system.out.println x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is one way of declaring the variables. Okay. Now if you run this program, all the three will get added and then you will see the output. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now instead of doing int x comma int y int z in that way, what you do is comment those three. Comment those three first three. How are you going to comment the block?
Control shift and forward slash.
Do it control shift forward slash. So enter int same values. You write it in a different way. Int x is equal to 26 comma y is equal to 27, z is equal to whatever the number you have given, comma z is equal to
54.
semicolon. Okay. This way also you will be able to write your variable's name. You can run the program and it will execute in the same manner. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I wanted to assign for all of these x, y, z, all the three x, y, z, all of the three values. I am going to make it only one value. Okay. Comment the sixth line. Comment the sixth line.
Mm.
Okay. So after that, press enter. So I am going to declare three variables: int x comma y comma z, int x comma y comma z, x comma y comma z, semicolon. That means there are three variables I have declared, but I did not assign any value for x, y, z. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Enter. X is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 5. What does it mean?
We are
Semicolon.
assigning
Hmm.
same value to all three variables.
Correct. So what is the output?
5 plus 5 plus 5, 15.
Correct. Run the program and see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now are you clear with the variables concept?
Yes, sir.
What is constant now?
Uh, Value that can't be changed,
Hmm.
whose value
A
can't be
value
changed. That,
which cannot
uh,
be changed, that we call it as constant. A value which can be changed, we call it as a variable,
variable.
right? Variable, yeah, will vary.
Yes, sir.
So if at all I wanted to make a value constant in this particular process, so if I use final keyword, can I make it as a constant value, right?
Yes, sir.
If I make some particular variable name, I wanted to make it as constant, then I can make use of final keyword so that nobody will be able to change it, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
And also whenever you are trying to use final value, right? For example, just press enter there, press enter. and I wanted to declare your date of birth. Okay, so final, final, final space int, all capital letters. Okay, all capital letters. DOB, DOB stands for date of birth is equal to some 2010 or 15, whatever. Okay, semicolon. So whenever you are declaring any constant values in Java, the naming convention is always the constant values should be in all capital letters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So now create a new class
What should I
student.
do about this, sir?
No, I'm
11th
just
line.
explaining you. If you, yeah, if you wanted to print, you can print that DOB also. You no need to do anything. I'm just giving you an example of how are you going to declare the final, right?
Okay, sir.
We have already executed that. If you wanted
Yeah,
to
yes, sir.
execute, you can execute it. If you try to change, it will not allow you to change. That's what we have already discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving you a example. Okay. So create a class, student class. So in interview, people may ask you this kind of questions. That's the reason we are going to see some real time examples. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm asking you to define certain variables: student name, student ID, student name, std name, std name, all small letters. Okay, n capital. You just write, you just declare the variables. Okay, string student name std name is equal to give your name within the double quotes. Std id, next one. Id is always number, that means int,
Int.
right? Int std id is equal to give your id, just give some number. Whenever you are giving numbers, you should not put it in double quotes. Next,
Yes, sir.
student age std age, std age, int std age. Okay, next, string std city. Okay, you just write your city name. And the last one is int std ph, phone number. Std ph is equal to, just give your phone number. Don't give your correct phone number, just give some junk number, 10 digit number, semicolon. Okay, now I want you to print student name is, student id is, student age is, and student city is, and student phone number is, and then correspondingly all other details should be displayed. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
print them?
Yes, sir. Can I do it, sir?
Yes, go ahead. Student name is plus, and then give that variable name. Okay, just
Yes, sir.
copy paste the same thing and then change the respective things. Automatically it will be faster. Don't try to write everything, just copy paste the second one.
Sir, one
First one
minute,
you
sir.
copy. Okay, now copy paste the same thing. Yeah, 3 4 5, total 5 lines. Total 5 lines you have to copy paste. You no need to copy each time, right? Already you have copied. You just press control V 5 times. Yeah, so first one, student name is you have written, and then student id is, and then change the variable name. So this is how you are going to write the statements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Are you clear? Like whenever somebody asks you to print something, you should understand the context and you should be in a position to give the output.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is one of the exercises people may ask you.